In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons in DocFly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload a PDF, open it in the editor, and add interactive form elements like drop-downs, checkboxes, radio buttons, and text fields, so your document is easier to fill out and share. Start by opening the DocFly dashboard. This is your home base where all of your files live, so make sure you're signed in and ready to go. From here, choose New File. This begins the process of bringing your PDF into DocFly so you can edit it. Next, select Upload from Computer. This tells DocFly you want to work with a file that's already on your device. Click Upload File and pick the PDF you want to edit. It's a good idea to choose a clean, final version of your document so you aren't making layout changes later after adding form elements. Once the upload finishes, locate your file in the dashboard list. On the right side of that file's row, click the three dots to open more options. Choose Edit. This opens the PDF in DocFly's editor, where you can add interactive fields. Inside the editor, look for the Form Creator. This panel is where the magic happens. You'll see options to add a text field, a checkbox, a radio button, or a drop-down. These are the buttons and fields people will interact with. For this walkthrough, we'll use a drop-down as an example, since it helps keep choices tidy and prevents typos. Click drop-down, then place it where you want it on the page. If your layout has labels, align the field so it lines up neatly with your text for a polished look. Now customize it. Give the field a clear name or label so users know what to select. Add your list of options, keep them short, consistent, and in a logical order. You can set a default choice if that makes sense, or leave it blank so users must actively pick one. Consider whether the field should be required. For visual clarity, adjust the size so it matches the space available, and choose styling that's readable against your document's background. If you're adding multiple fields, keep spacing and alignment consistent across the page to improve usability. You can follow the same process for text fields, checkboxes, or radio buttons. Pick the tool, place it, and then fine-tune labels and settings to match your form's needs. That's it. Your interactive elements are now part of the PDF, ready for users to complete accurately and efficiently. Keep labels clear, keep spacing consistent, and you'll have a professional, user-friendly form built right inside DocFly.